Hi everyone, it's me Davina from The Minimal Sort, and I'm going to show you what I bought for 10kd from Ace and Truevalue. So once you've decluttered your home, what do you buy when you're organising? We're going to go to Ace and Truevalue today and try and spend 10kd. Might not get us very far, it might get us a lot, but let's see what we can get and let's review it together. When you're ready, what do you buy, when do you buy it, and where do you buy it from? Today we've done the 10kd, which is roughly $30, £25 challenge, and we've gone to Ace Hardware and Truevalue. I wanted to see what I could get for 10kd. For me, being a British expat, I convert everything I buy. 10kd can actually stretch a lot if you're careful with your money. But when it comes to organising, when you've decluttered and let things go, it's actually an investment to buy the key pieces you need in terms of storage to really utilise your space. So let's see what we bought today from Ace Hardware. The purpose of today's haul was to see exactly what I could get for 10kd. That would help me do something that I needed to do in my own home. At the moment, I'm trying to figure out whether I'm going to transition my winter wardrobe into spring. The first thing I bought was this apple fruit wedge and cora. I have 3 under 3 at home. My youngest are 14-month-old twins and we eat a lot of fruit. Our home is allergy friendly. So this was pretty much a necessity. I had to buy it. It was 2kd, 250 fills. All of the currency conversions will be underneath, so don't worry if you're not familiar with the Kuwaiti dinar. But yeah, pretty much this was something I had to buy for the home. I'm going to show you in my next couple of videos what we have in the kitchen, what I don't recommend. Again, this is a necessity for me. The thing that I actually spent pretty much 10kd on was these vacuum storage bags. Now they're by Interdesign. I'm familiar with this brand because I've used a lot of their pieces in clients' homes. They have really nice Lazy Susans, really good clear acrylic bins for the fridge and the cupboards. I don't save everything. I pretty much only save the pieces that I've spent a lot of money on. The investment pieces and the pieces that for me are a memory that I want to show the kids when they're older. So in this one, you get 2 medium bags, 3 large bags, 3 extra large bags and 2 jumbo bags. It says they're great for pillows, blankets, seasonal items, clothes and more. So yeah, these are the only 2 things I got from Ace. I was a little bit disappointed because one was pretty much for the video, this was for home. From Truevalue, I spent around 16kd, so I actually spent more than I wanted to. But I got a lot for my money in my opinion, and I got things that I would actually use and that I need. I don't like to drill or punch holes in the walls at all. Now, I've been looking for a kitchen paper holder. This is by a brand called Wenko. I've actually never heard of this brand before, but I thought I would try it. The thing that caught my eye was the fact that here, it actually shows you no screws, no drills, no nails needed for this piece. It actually uses a suction cup. It cost me 3kd 290. I bought 2. I'm going to try these to see how much it holds as well. Here it says it doesn't leave a residue. I'm skeptical of these things, but hey, I'm going to try it. The second thing I got from Truevalue was these bad boys. Lazy Susans, I mean, they call them here a turntable. These are a godsend. I'm going to use these in my kitchen. You put condiments on top. It's very good if you have deep cupboards. You can arrange your condiments on, spin them around. It's got this grey, really nice grey rubber seal inside, so it stops things from moving around and it actually keeps them really sturdy. This was a fantastic price point, 1KD 290, and they're pretty much always sold out. So the fact that I saw them, I picked up two. Again, I couldn't help myself. I did just say I'm going to use them in the kitchen. I might use them in the bathroom for toiletries. Again, I'm going to do a couple of videos later and show you where I've used these. The last thing I brought, which I desperately needed, was hangers. I really recommend velour/velvet hangers. They're great for making sure that your clothes don't slip. If you've got a lot of tank tops, dresses and such that you hang in your closet, these are amazing. They've got grooves inside so that your tank tops don't fall off. And they're really slimline, so it creates more space in the closet. Now, for around 6KD, you get 50 hangers, which is such a good price. Velvet hangers, if you look online, they're really expensive. So this was a great buy for me. I like black hangers, I don't know why. The problem with them is it tells you here, wash with water and dry before use. The reason you have to wash with water is because they use a dye. If you don't wash them and dry them, the dye will transfer onto your clothes. So if you have a lot of white shirts, linens as such, you will find that if you haven't washed them, you'll start to get a black stain on your clothes, so you have to be really careful. In comparison to Ace, I loved going to Truevalue. Again, I'm really familiar with the Interdesign brand, but I'd never heard of Wenko, and they've got a massive section dedicated to all of these things. You'll see here, I saw the section and I was actually amazed by all of the things they have. And in terms of haul, this is what I got. I mean, I think I got a really good deal from Truevalue. Next week we're going to do another haul. We're going to do Miniso versus Daiso, and I'm looking forward to seeing how far 10KD will stretch me there. I'm a very big fan of Miniso since it hit Kuwait. I love Japanese products, so let's see how we get on. Bye guys.
Thanks for tuning into our channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up.